All right, we're here with Daniel Green of Mount Pleasant, the man who scored a double to help secure his team victory today against Humble Lions at Draxall in a 2-1 win. Daniel, what do you make of your performance coming back from representing the Reggae Boys?
Yeah, it was a good performance today, and the team empowered me as well, to go out there and get the job done, Just bring back the experience that I get from the elderly player and the international player. So just come and help my team, motivate them.
Yeah, and what you say about your new teammates? There was Chevron Stewart, Andre Fletcher, Trevante Stewart, and Jamai Topi, who you played with in the national team.
Yeah, it's good. They make a good account of themselves. Very good players, them as well. So yeah, just welcome them here and help them push the team go forward.
All right, any instruction from Coach Paul or from Ravel or from Leon you would have used in this game today, or any lessons you learned that you apply to this game to help you?
Yeah, they both, all of them really tell me one thing, just be me when I'm in front of the ball, and when I have the ball in the attacking third, go at people and, do my skill, because I'm good at that.
All right, Daniel, listen, it was good seeing you today returning. The fans came out to watch you. You put on a show for them. You scored 2 goals, your team won, and all the best. And I know that they are all looking forward to seeing you even more in the national team. So all the best, and can't wait to see what you'll do for the rest of the season.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, man.